Welcome. Today we're diving into a brand new explainer, and we are unpacking some incredibly fascinating source material. We're going to break down a highly actionable, no-nonsense blueprint for building a one-person AI business using Claude. Literally, we're talking about how a single person can do the heavy lifting of an entire tech agency. It's wild. So let's just jump right in with a staggering statistic. 84%. Out of the 8.1 billion people on this planet, 84% of them have never even used AI, like they haven't written a single basic prompt. I know it's super easy to forget when we're constantly surrounded by tech news and hype, but the world at large, they are still incredibly far behind.
And when you actually break those numbers down, the gap is just massive. I mean, sure, about 16% of people have tinkered around with free, basic chatbots, but a microscopic 0.04% of the global population is actually using advanced tools like Claude. So, think about what that means. To the vast majority of businesses out there, the AI services you can provide, they'll literally look like absolute magic. And that massive gap is exactly where your opportunity lies.
Which brings us to Section 1, the 0.04% AI opportunity.
Next up, Section 2, Surviving the Excitement Curve.
Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty tactical strategies, we kind of need to clear the air and filter out anyone looking for a quick crypto or dropshipping get-rich-quick scheme. So ask yourself, why do 95% of people quit when trying to build a business like this? Well, it's because the reality of actually building technical skills and landing paying clients is so much harder than the internet hype makes it seem. You see, there's this massive jarring contrast between expectation and reality, right? You start out so pumped, expecting unlimited clients and instant wealth by tomorrow. But then reality hits you like a ton of bricks. You realize you actually need to learn how to properly prompt Claude, how to structure complex automations, and frankly, how to handle rejection. And that massive dip in excitement, yeah, that's exactly where most people give up and just go right back to their 9-to-5s.
The core takeaway here is simple, but absolutely crucial. You have to get good before you can get rich. Clients aren't just handing over their hard-earned money for fun. They're paying for the time, the sweat, and the effort you've put in to gather the exact skills that they lack. It takes months of practice, and honestly, sometimes you even have to do free work up front just to build trust.
Moving on to Section 3, the client acquisition engine. Okay, so here's the playbook. You actually want to have your marketing engine running in the background before you even fully master the tech. Now, when it comes to finding those clients, you basically have two main paths. Cold email gives you massive volume, sure, but honestly, Upwork is the absolute best starting point for beginners. It gives you high-intent leads. We're talking about people actively waving their hands in the air saying, hey, I need help right now.
So here is the exact Upwork strategy you can use. Step 1. Filter for jobs that have between 5 and 50 proposals. You want to avoid those overly crowded, impossible listings. Step 2. Write a highly customized proposal. Please don't just sound like an AI robot wrote it. Make it unique. And Step 3. This is the absolute secret weapon. Attach a quick, personalized Loom video showing your actual face. In a sea of lazy AI-generated spam, just showing you're a real human who actually understands their specific problem, it makes you stand out instantly. It's a real game changer.
All right, Section 4, the doctor approach to sales.
So boom, you've landed a meeting. Now what? Well, now we use this brilliant, totally non-salesy method that makes things super easy even if you get incredibly nervous on camera. The golden rule of this doctor approach is all about the talking ratio. You should literally only be talking 20% of the time. Think of it like a doctor diagnosing a patient. Your whole job is to ask targeted questions and let the prospect talk for the other 80%.
So instead of just jumping in and awkwardly pitching your services, you ask a really good discovery question. Something like, so what happens when your competitor has 150 reviews and you only have 5? See what that does? You force the client to vocalize their own problem. Once they actually hear themselves admit they're losing business, stepping in and offering your solution becomes totally effortless.
Now, to protect your time and practically guarantee you close the deal, you have to follow a few strict rules. First, never mention your price before the call. You want to be judged on the immense value you bring, not just a price tag. Second, always send a sequence of reminders, like 3 days, 1 day, 1 hour, and 5 minutes before, so they actually show up. Third, always book the follow-up meeting while you're still on the current call, so you don't get ghosted. And finally, always take a tiny commitment payment right then and there, like a simple $1 Stripe link, just to get their payment info securely on file.
But what if you're just starting out and struggling to build trust? Well, you use the ultimate beginner closer, the proof of concept offer. This is basically a satisfaction guarantee.
where you take an upfront payment, build the project, and offer a completely full refund if they don't love the final result. It completely removes all the risk for the client, and honestly, it makes you look incredibly confident in your skills.
Let's get into Section 5, AI-powered service delivery. Now we're getting to the real magic under the hood, the stuff that lets one person literally do the technical work of a whole agency. To give you an idea of the sheer scale here, there are roughly 10 million small businesses in the US alone that still do not have a website. 10 million. Think about that. Using AI to generate premium, responsive websites is an incredibly lucrative entry point for your new solo agency.
And think about how ridiculously seamless this pipeline is. Okay, so first, you capture the context of your sales call using an AI note-taker like Fathom. Then, using a model context protocol, which is basically a bridge that lets your AI talk directly to your other tools, you feed that exact transcript into Claude code. Claude plans the whole build, authenticates using Composio, and deploys the automations on an open-source platform like Trigger.dev. Guys, it can literally start building the project before you even hit end meeting on Zoom. How crazy is that? And because you're delivering such incredibly high-quality outputs, the perceived value is just massive. I mean, proper agencies charge tens of thousands of dollars for custom websites and automations. But as a beginner, even selling your very first automated website build for $500 or $1,000 is a huge win. It pays you to practice, it builds your reputation, and it adds to your portfolio.
But remember, your delivery definitely does not end the second the project launches. You need to be scheduling bi-weekly check-in calls with your clients. Doing this drastically reduces churn. Plus, it opens up massive doors for you to upsell brand new services, like maybe AI phone agents, and it gives you the perfect opportunity to ask for highly specific referrals within their industry. I'm telling you, this is exactly how you grow an agency without spending a single dime on marketing.
So, look, we've walked through the opportunity, the smart sales psychology, and the mind-blowing tech delivery. The tools to build a massive solo business, they're sitting right here. The global market is completely unequipped and desperately waiting for your help. So the only real question left to ask yourself is, are you ready to actually put in the work and join the 0.04%?